When most people hear about Yellowstone National Park, they think of one thing: geysers. But it has so much more to offer, including a bizarre ecosystem that survives atop an enormous volcano. Yellowstone is the largest active volcanic system in the world. It is also home to some very strange plants and animals that have adapted to life in this extreme environment. In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 incredible wild survivors from Yellowstone National Park. Let's get started. 1. The Yellowstone Supervolcano. The Yellowstone Supervolcano is one of the most active geological spots on Earth. It has had 3 major eruptions in the past that have given way to the Yellowstone caldera. This caldera is 43 by 28 miles across. It makes up Yellowstone National Park's northern section. The park sits directly on top of the hotspot. The magma chamber below the park produces frequent earthquakes, and if another eruption were to occur, the entire planet would suffer the consequences. Yellowstone is one of the world's 3 supervolcanoes. It is also one of the world's 20 supervolcano sites. Each year, about 1 million tourists visit Yellowstone to see its wonders. There are thermal features throughout the park, including more than 10,000 hydrothermal features. This includes things such as hot springs, mud pots, geysers, waterfalls, etc. All of these features are powered by geothermal energy that comes from the magma chamber beneath the park. The energy heats both groundwater and rock. The heated water and steam find their way to the surface through cracks in the solidified rock. Here they form various pools and springs. The waters here are rich with minerals that come from the heated rocks. In the surrounding areas, you will see beautiful colors. This is due to the mineral deposits left behind after the water evaporates. Some of these minerals are iron, calcium, silica, and sulfur. When magma heats the groundwater, it creates pressurized steam. That pressurized steam finds its way to the surface, where it erupts as a geyser. The most famous geyser in Yellowstone is Old Faithful. It erupts every 90 minutes, shooting boiling water as high as 100 feet in the air. These hydrothermal features play a big role in the survival of many species. Some species depend on them for drinking water, while others depend on them for food. The geothermal energy also plays a role in shaping the landscape. Hot steam and water can carve through solid rock. This forms the beautiful canyons that we see today. Yellowstone is home to the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone River. Now that we know a bit about Yellowstone, let's take a look at the animals and plants that call it home. 2. The coyote. The coyote is one of the most widespread and adaptable animals in North America. They can be found in a variety of habitats. This includes mountainous regions, deserts, and forests. In Yellowstone, there are about 2,000 coyotes. These coyotes live in packs, which can have anywhere from 2 to 10 members. They mostly feed on smaller mammals, but will occasionally hunt larger prey. Elk, bison, and even bears are sometimes on the menu. Coyotes are opportunistic hunters, scavengers, and even omnivores. If there is an easy source of food, they will eat it. This allows them to thrive in diverse environments. Their adaptability is one reason why there are so many of them in Yellowstone. Another reason is because they have few predators of their own. Wolves are their main predator, but they usually only go after pups. Adult coyotes are safe unless they venture outside of the park. 3, the grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is one of the largest land predators in North America. They usually weigh between 400 and 800 pounds. They stand about 8 feet tall when on 2 legs. Despite their large size, they are excellent swimmers. In Yellowstone, they spend a lot of time in the water. Grizzlies are known to catch fish in rivers and lakes. They also love foraging for berries. This is especially true during the summer months. During the winter months, they go into hibernation. While in hibernation, their metabolism slows down, and they do not need to eat or drink. This is important because food can be scarce during the winter months. The grizzlies in Yellowstone are a subspecies called the grizzly bear. There are only about 700 of them left in the park. 4, the wolf. The gray wolf is one of the most feared predators in the world. They are known for their intelligence and social behavior. Wolves often work together when hunting. They will use their speed and stamina to chase down prey. Once the prey is exhausted, the wolves will bring it down. Wolves are at the top of the food chain in Yellowstone. This means that they have no natural enemies. Only humans are capable of killing wolves. Grey wolves were once endangered in Yellowstone. However, since their reintroduction, they have made a strong comeback. There are now over 100 wolves in the park. Wolves play an important role in Yellowstone's ecosystem. They help control the populations of other animals. By preying on the sick and weak, they ensure that only the healthiest animals reproduce. Number 5. The Beartrap. The Beartrap is a rare wildflower that grows in Yellowstone. Its scientific name is Leontopodium alpinum. It is a small plant that only grows to be about 6 inches tall. The plant has small, fuzzy leaves and stems. It also has small white flowers. The Beartrap gets its name from its fuzzy stems. The stems are covered in a sticky substance that resembles Beartrap. This substance is actually a type of resin. It is produced by the plant as a defense mechanism against insects. Insects that try to eat the plant often get stuck in the resin. The Beartrap is found in mountainous regions of North America. In Yellowstone, it grows in the park's alpine areas. These are the areas above the tree line. The climate here is cold and windy. The soil is also very poor in nutrients. Despite these harsh conditions, the Beartrap flourishes. It is able to survive the harsh winters by going dormant. During the summer months, it uses its shallow root system to absorb nutrients. The Beartrap is an important part of Yellowstone's ecosystem. Its roots help prevent soil erosion. Its flowers also provide nectar and pollen for insects. Life in Yellowstone must be tough. The weather can be extreme and the terrain is rough. From the supervolcano beneath it to the freezing cold temperatures, Yellowstone doesn't sound like a fun place to live. But somehow these animals and plants have adapted to the conditions. They have developed unique ways to find food, shelter, and mates. As a result, Yellowstone is one of the most biodiverse places in North America. It is home to a variety of different species, including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. There are also hundreds of different types of plants. Despite the challenges, life in Yellowstone is tough, but it's definitely possible. With a little bit of luck, you may just see one of these amazing creatures on your next visit to the park. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. We truly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.